Fire, one of humanity's oldest and most essential tools, has been used for warmth, cooking, and protection for millennia. While modern fire-starting methods often rely on matches or lighters, there are times when these conveniences are unavailable, making it crucial to know how to start a fire using DIY fire starters. We will explore the art of creating fire from everyday household items and nature's resources, unlocking the knowledge and creativity needed to kindle flames in the wild or during emergencies. The importance of fire in survival. Fire is more than just a source of warmth and light, it's a critical survival skill that offers various benefits. Heat and warmth. Fire provides warmth in cold environments, protecting against hypothermia. Cooking. It allows for the preparation of safe, hot meals, making it easier to obtain essential nutrients. Water purification. Fire can be used to boil water, rendering it safe to drink by killing harmful microorganisms. Signal for rescue. Fire's visibility and smoke can act as signals for rescue teams. Psychological comfort. Fire provides psychological comfort and a sense of security in the wild. DIY fire starters from household items. Cotton balls and petroleum jelly. Coat cotton balls in petroleum jelly, creating a flammable, long-lasting fire starter. Dryer lint. Gather dryer lint, an excellent tinder due to its high flammability. Toilet paper rolls. Stuff empty toilet paper rolls with dryer lint or shredded paper, creating compact fire starters. Cardboard egg cartons. Fill each compartment with dryer lint or cotton balls, cover with melted wax, and cut into individual sections for easy ignition. Duct tape. Roll lengths of duct tape into thin tubes, then ignite them for a slow-burning fire starter. DIY fire starters from nature's resources. Birch bark. Birch bark contains natural oils that make it highly flammable. Peel it from fallen trees and ignite it with a spark. Pine needles and resin. Pine needles, especially when combined with resin, create a natural fire starter that burns hot and long. Dry leaves. Collect and crumple dry leaves to create an easily ignited tinder bundle. Cattail fluff. The fluff from cattail plants can be used as tinder for quick fire starting. Feathers and down. The downy feathers of birds, like ducks or geese, are highly flammable and make excellent fire starters. Fire starting techniques. Fire steel and flint. Strike a fire steel against flint to create sparks that ignite your chosen fire starter. Fire bow drill. Create friction between a spindle and a fireboard, generating heat to ignite tinder. Fire plow. Use a sharp implement to scrape a groove in a softwood board, producing friction-induced embers. Magnifying glass. Focus sunlight onto tinder using a magnifying glass or a clear plastic bottle filled with water. Safety and preparedness. Safety first. Always prioritize safety when starting fires. Keep a safe distance from the ignition source, and have fire extinguishing tools nearby. Practice. Before relying on DIY fire starters in a survival situation, practice using them in controlled environments. Conclusion. DIY fire starters, crafted from household items or nature's resources, are valuable tools in any outdoor enthusiast's repertoire. They offer the means to create fire when conventional methods fail or are unavailable. Understanding the importance of fire in survival and familiarizing oneself with various fire-starting techniques can be the difference between comfort and distress in challenging situations. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or preparing for emergencies, the knowledge of how to create fire from simple materials empowers you with the ability to generate warmth, cook food, purify water, and signal for help, ensuring your safety and well-being in the wild or during unexpected events.